Alright, robot missions. This Wednesday, we're soldering a brain board. Very nice, Beck.
Thank you.
Alright, we're checking a micro servo mount. Looks cool. New 3D print. Gotta do some fine tuning. Installing Tensorflow. It's probably rebooting, right?
Yes.
She's been working really hard on it. And even more hard robot work here too. Great. Nice. Alright, so we're testing out image recognition or object detection on the Raspberry Pi using an IR camera there. So we're trying to right now check it on this vase, and it says it is a person.
Or a bird. It was a bird.
Bird. Yep.
Bird person.
Nice. But yeah, we've tried many other different things and it recognizes some. So there's a water bottle, and here it detects it as person. I hope the water doesn't spill out onto the electronics.
That would be tragic. Bottle.
Yes, bottle. Awesome. Alright, awesome job to the uOttawa team.
Super cool. Great work, guys.
Yeah.
Keep sending the letter A, it will rotate. Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Oh, cool.
Nice. Alright, here is a completed brain board by Beck.
Yay! I'm so jazzed.
Nice.
This has been really cool.